Too funny. I was literally just sitting at a restaurant thinking about how hot I am and how I can't wait to get out and cool down a little bit. Well, guess what? I'm 100% cooling down now. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another little vloggy vlog. As I'm trying to beat the rain, I'm upstate New York by Oneonta, going to visit an old friend who I haven't seen in what feels like 10, 20 years. I don't even know. But tragedy stroked. The tragedy stroked. And there's a rain on the horizon. I'm only 5 miles away. And the question is, do I get soaked? Freaking, yeah. I just had lunch at this place. Terrible service. Barely okay food. Like the burger was juicy but unseasoned. What the fuck? Salt and pepper, bros. Salt and pepper. Very important. But anyway, I'm really excited. I got to visit my old college town and all that. Pretty windy, which means a storm is coming, which is okay. As long as I'm on 2, I'm alright. So there's gonna be a turn right over here, less than half a mile. No rain yet. Might make it after all. Oh, there's the rain. Can't tell. Is that the rain? Yep, that's the rain. As I got to the part I don't really know. 3 more miles left. He lives right along this road. And of course the rain is coming. Keep repeating the same shit. Let's see how fast I can do this 3 miles. As the road is getting a little bit slick. Look at this shit. Damn, I'm gonna get soaked again. That's just life. This is how life is. This is just how life sometimes is. Beautiful roads, and once again it's wet, and I can't go fast, and I'm getting soaked. Fuck it. No rain gear of any sort. Just chilling. A little over 2 miles to go. By the time I get there, I'll be perfectly soaked. Good. Good. Technically, I could probably pull over right here and hide from the rain or something, but there's no need. We're fine. Oh boy! Getting completely soaked. The weather should sure change really quick. Ooh, my back of my neck is getting wet. This is where a long time ago I actually lost control of my car and spun off the road. I could technically just pull over and wait for a few minutes. But it's okay. I'm already wet. I don't think it matters anymore. Beautiful. Just what I love. Too funny. I was literally just sitting at a restaurant thinking about how hot I am and how I can't wait to get out and cool down a little bit. Well, guess what? I'm 100% cooling down now. That's without a doubt. Definitely cooling down now. Oh, I'm getting moist as fuck. It's okay. Less than a mile to go. Boy, even my underwear is moist. My wallet is in my pocket. Beautiful. Yeah, half a mile. Fantastic. Here we are. We have arrived. We have arrived. Hilarious. I can't even. Alright. We're here. We made it. I'm fucking soaked. Son of a bitch. That's fine. Totally okay. Beautiful. I'm gonna go over here. Oh. It would not be a ride if I didn't get soaked. Yep.